Hi there, students. To suffice, a verb. I'm sure you all know the adjective sufficient or the adverb sufficiently. Well, to suffice means to be sufficient, to be enough, to be adequate for the situation, to be good enough quality. So I think 2 chickens will suffice for a dinner party of 8 people. A brief introduction will suffice. There's no need to go into detail. I need to pay you back for all the things you bought me. Will £20 suffice? Is that enough? Will that cover it? Mere words will not suffice. You need to do something as well. You need to take action. Okay, so if something suffices, it's enough. Now, a note with the usage. Be careful of this. All of the examples I have given you are with will. Yeah, and it's much more common to use will than the present simple. That is, when you're talking about present situations or future situations. So, for example, will 2 eggs suffice for your breakfast? Now, you could say, do 2 eggs suffice? It's perfectly possible. It's not wrong, but it's less natural. And in English, we tend to use will with suffice. Will this suffice? Is that enough? Will that be enough? Notice, is that enough, but will it suffice? So will with suffice, remember that. So I think this explanation of the meaning and usage will suffice. Now I'd like to turn to the phrase suffice it to say. This is an adverbial phrase. We use it as a brief introduction to a statement where the statement is either blindingly obvious or already known. So, as you have just crashed my car, suffice it to say, I will not lend you my car in the future. You are here watching my videos, so suffice it to say, your English level must at least be B2, if not a lot higher. So this is saying it's obvious, it's clear. We already know that. It doesn't need explanation. So now the next question. Is it suffice to say or suffice it to say? Because I know if I don't answer this query, I'm going to have a question about it. So you can use both suffice to say or suffice it to say. Suffice it to say is much more common. I think suffice to say is maybe a bit old-fashioned. Yeah? But both of them are valid and you can use both of them. Now, a little question for you. Suffice it to say, what tense is suffice in suffice it to say? I think I will leave that for the comment section. You can answer that question. Suffice it to say, what's the tense? So, to suffice. To be enough, to be sufficient, to be adequate for our needs, to be of good enough quality. Yeah? Do you have enough food? Will that suffice or do you want more? I hope my explanation about suffice will suffice. So notice, to suffice is a regular verb. 2 eggs sufficed for his breakfast. 2 eggs have always sufficed in the past, but now he wants 3. So, what about the formality? I'd probably give this a 6.5 in formality. It sounds slightly formal. Informally, I definitely use the word enough or sufficient. Is that sufficient? Is that enough? Or remember the will that suffice? Okay, and as to the origin, well, it comes from Latin, sufficio, meaning to supply or to be adequate. And that itself comes from sub, under, and facio, to make or to do. So to make under, to do under, I'm not sure how that's linked to supply, but, well, I'm sure it is. So I think that will suffice. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Suffice.